Hey, it's Joey from Joey's World Tour. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to do the Nutella challenge. The Nutella challenge, that's right. Okay, guys, are you ready? But this time I'm going to do it with hands free. No hands or forks or anything. Nothing like that. I'm going to use my hands tied up. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to eat this. So that's the challenge. The Nutella hands-free 3-minute challenge. Are you ready? Alright, guys, here we go. 1, 2.
Anybody count?
Alright, I got it. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go! Jelly is so thick. I kill my mud. Okay. Sweet. We pumped up. It's really good. Oh, it's sweet. There's some milk. Okay, we'll whistle. Trying my best. That's bad. Sorry, gang. I didn't do it. It's too much. It's too thick. Tune in next time, gang. We'll get you another challenge. This is Joe. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, man.
Hi, everyone. It's Joe for Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Today, muchachos and muchachas, I'm doing Burger King's new bacon and cheese crispy chicken
Sandwich.
lettuce, tomato, on a potato bun. So what do you think about that, muchachos? Let's try this out, okay, everyone? This is Burger King's new bacon and cheese crispy chicken sandwich. Maybe I should do an ASMR today. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think? Let me see. Let me bring the camera closer. 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 This is Burger King's new bacon crispy chicken sandwich. It's gonna be so good. Look at that. Like beautiful. Oh boy. is so moist. Don't you like moist things? And the mayonnaise is so soft and pillowy in my mouth. God, just adds the flavor of this beautiful chicken sandwich. Just puts a beautiful umami of flavors in my mouth. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a 10. Please share, like, subscribe to my channel and my tweets and my twerts and everything in between. If you like a Joey's World Tour t-shirt, check out my Spreadshirt shop. It's one sexy shop. Thank you all for tuning in. Another box for my Trinket. What's going on?